Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we will talk about how to set up and use Linktree, basically a Linktree tutorial. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Linktree, you can come to the website, linktr.ee. For the ones who know who they are, you know the website already. Once you're here, you can read about all the amazing stuff that they're providing. You can learn how amazing tool Linktree is. But to cut it short, Linktree is a tool that allows you to share multiple links on social media, blogs, and on other online mediums. Sound confusing, isn't it? So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a website, two blogs, multiple social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, all these multiple social accounts you got. So altogether, you got 10 different links that you want your people to be aware of, your followers to be aware of. But you would like to have a web page where you could post all these links, a web page with 10 different links of all your online presence. People can directly come to that page and click on those links and, interact with you accordingly. Wouldn't that be nice? That's exactly what Linktree is providing to you. So to start with them, all you have to do, you can click on sign up for free, which should take you to this page. In here, it will just ask you to create your account. I'm just going to enter mine. You can enter your email address like this, and of course the username as well. And what this will do, we just have to remove this part, and this will just check if this username is available and whether you have ever registered using this email account or not. So after giving the username and the email address, you can click on create account. Now this will take you to the password page where you have to enter your password. You can enter the password and ensure you remember it, and then you can click on continue. Now what this will do, this will take you to the next page. You can wait for it to load, and it will ask you tell us about yourself. So you can give them your name. I'm just going to go with the domain information for educational purpose. Whatever your name is, you can write here and then click on continue. Then it will ask you, select one category that best describes your link tree. So with Linktree, don't get confused. They're calling their platform as Linktree, and what they will provide to you, like a unique web page where you can put all your links. So that could also be considered as Linktree. So they're asking which category best describes your Linktree. So whatever, part of things you are belong to, you can just select that. For example, if you're a business person, just go with that, and all your social media and all accounts are related to business, go with that. If you are more like into creative stuff, then go with this, and accordingly just select whatever suits your niche most. But in my case, I'm going to go with creative. Then it will ask you to pick your creative category optional. So you could, like, since I've selected creative here, so that's why creative for me. In your case, whatever you would select in here, the option would differ. So I'm going to say digital creator, and then I can click on continue. In your case as well, you can select both the categories and click on continue. Now here it will ask you to choose the plan. You can decide to go with monthly plan or annual plan. You will see the pricing based on your location, and you will see there's a free plan, starter, pro, and premium, wherein pro is the recommended one. But if you're starting it, if it's the first time you're using Linktree, I would advise you to go with the free one. Please see, whether this tool is for you. Indeed, it's helping you out or not. With free plan, you get unlimited links and links apps. That means you can add all the links that you want in there on your Linktree profile. You can see the clicks and view for past 28 days, collect payments, tips, and donations, zero transaction fee for limited time. So this is amazing thing for free. But if you like to have more, you could go with starter, pro, or premium plan, and you can read through all the things. You can post a video and read through which one is more suited for you, and probably select that, and then click on get pro. And if you want to go with the annual plan as well, you can click on annual and see, if you're getting what discount you're getting, and probably select that. But let's say I'm fine with free, so I'll select free. And if you're fine with that, you can also select free and click on join for free. But this join for free option would only appear if you click on free. Then it will ask you, it will tell you that thanks for signing up. To verify your account, click on the link sent to your inbox. So whatever email address that you have given or you have choose, you can go to the account of the email account of the email address, and you can click on the link from there. So this is my email account, and I should have received an email from Linktree. This is the email. I can open the email. In your case, you can also do that and click on verify email. What this will do, this will verify my email and probably will ask me to sign in. So I can wait for it to load. It could take a few seconds because, okay, so it's been loaded. Your account has been verified. Now I can click on sign in to continue. This should take me to something called admin panel or dashboard, whatever you would like to call it, you can call it. And it will take a few seconds to load up as well. You can wait for it to load. And this is what you will see. So on the right that you see is the preview of your Linktree web page or Linktree profile, whatever you like to call it. And to give you a quick glimpse of it, if you go to share and if you click on open my Linktree, you will see there's a unique link for it. And this is how your Linktree would look like. So if you share this with anyone, they will see this. And this is the place you can add multiple links here, like one link, two link, three links. So all the links you can add in here. That's what we will talk about. Okay, so in here, let's say this is your profile, the Linktree profile, and you want to add links. So you can click on add link and you have to enter the URL. I'm just going to copy and paste the URL that I got for testing purpose. Let's say this is my URL. I can add it and let me try to make some changes in here. So once, whatever URL that you have added here, it will see whether it's a valid URL or not. And based on that, it will give you the option for add, but it seems this URL is not working. So I'm going to manually type in. Sometimes this could happen. So you can manually type in the URL, my case, learnandgrow.com. And you see the button got visible. I can click on add and then it will ask me to give a title. See, I can give a title name here of, let's say, Learn and Grow website. So let's say this is the website you got. And the moment I click on it, I updated it, the button got appear here. You see, so on cell phone, if someone would open it, they will see a button like this on my profile. Same way, I can add more links. So for example, I got a link for Learn website. So I can just write HTTPS and avoid copying and pasting. As you observed, for me, it wasn't working as well. So I can write it like this and wait for it to load. As you can see, and I can update the name to Learn website. Okay, so let's say I'm fine with these two. You can add as many links as you like. There's no limitation, per my knowledge. And once you're satisfied with adding links, you could even have more functionality. Let's say for the time being, when people would click on Learn website, you don't want them to go to learn.com, but probably redirection to somewhere else. You could click here and you can even set the redirect path. But of course, it requires an upgrade account. Like, you should not have a free account for that to happen. Then you got this thumbnail option. You can click on thumbnail and you can even set a thumbnail for your button. So if I click here, you can upload your own thumbnail or you can choose from the tabular icon. So if you click here, let's say I am interested in an icon like this. Okay, so I can select that and you see the icon would appear here. So similar to that, like I can change it, I can remove it, or I can click on close and it will stay. And similar to that, I can add a thumbnail here as well. Then there's a functionality to prioritize it, to schedule it, to lock it, and I would also be able to see clicks in here. And I can even delete this link that I have created. So this is how I can add links. And then comes the appearance, because it looks very plain, isn't it? Wouldn't that be great if you could modify the theme probably? And that's where the appearance come with the picture. So for that, you can click on appearance and it should take you to more customization option. You can even update your profile. For me, it's just saying L, but you can like click on pick an image and probably just upload an image of yourself, your business, or whatever, your kind of business is. Or you can use Canva to design it, or you can use your NFT for your profile pic as well. And then you can update, you can write your bio here. And if you scroll down, this is the theme where you can choose from. You can create your own theme if you like. If you click here, it will scroll down and this is where you can design your own theme. Otherwise, you can just choose with all of these pre-designed theme. You won't be able to choose the like this one. As you can see, these are restricted, not available for free account, but you could use something like all these themes. Let's say that I'm interested in this theme. So I can click on it and observe the theme of the of my Linktree would get updated. Now it looks more better, isn't it? So this one or this one that I could select. Now if I scroll down, I also have an option to select the buttons, you know, with the customization of the theme. I can select button shadows. I can use the colors accordingly. I can even decide the font. I can click here. I can decide the font. I can decide the color too. So it's up to me, the way I like. I can customize it. In your case, you can also do that the way you like. You can customize it. It's pretty simple. On the left, on the right, you see preview. On the left, you customize with one option at a time. Let's say you're done with the customization and you like it the way it is now. You can go to settings, and in settings, you can even do more. So we will see all the options within settings. The first is you can add your icons for, let's say you got a Amazon store. So you can enter the Amazon store URL for you. So I'm just going to go with https amazon.com/test. In your case as well, you can just write it and add to Linktree and observe the icon got saved. Similar to that, let's say you got yourself a Facebook account. So you can write something like facebook.com/UKL just for the testing and add to Linktree. So you see the Facebook icon even got added. If someone would click on these icons, they will go to whatever link you have provided. So this is how you can add your social icons as well. And then you can also decide the position of it. Like if you want them to be on top, you could do it like this, or bottom, whatever you like. You can even see analytics for it. You can even have support banner. Now, what is support banner? If I click here, and you would be able to see I can support for any existing course, the Ukrainian one that's going, the other courses that's there. So if I select here, I would be able to select the course. So this way you can also influence your followers if you like. Then you also would be able to integrate your mailing list. That means, there will be a mailing list. Someone would come here, they will provide their email address, and you would be able to collect email address so that you could send them promotions and all those informations, related information. Then, okay, I still got mailing list open, so I'll just close it. Then we got commerce and integration. So you would also be able to integrate commerce. That means, people can come to your website, can collect, can make the payment for this and that stuff. Then you could also, let's say, your Linktree profile have some sensitive material. You can even set this up and say that it's 18 plus. That means, if anyone would click on the link, they'll get a message that it's, sensitive material, acknowledge in this. So that kind of message they will get. So you can also decide it if your material is indeed, the material on your Linktree profile is indeed 18 plus, then select it accordingly, and plus 21 plus and 25 plus. Then comes SEO customization as well you can do, but of course with the pro account. Then conversion tracking, analytics integration, and even you could have a subscribe account, like, subscribe button. So let's say I click here and people would be able to see subscribe button. As you can see, subscribe. So they can subscribe to my Linktree profile as well. That means any change that I make to my Linktree profile, they would be notified for it. So similar to that, you can just add the subscribe button. This is amazing. And you can also share a direct link for you subscribe. When they directly go there, they would be able to subscribe to you. Then you also see an option for affiliate program. So all these amazing settings that you can do. Let's say you have modified your Linktree profile and now you want to see how it looks like. Again, you click on share, and from here you click on open my Linktree. What this will do, this will show you how your Linktree looks like. Since I have selected 18, so this is what I got, and the other people would see it too. So that when they click on continue, they will see the profile. It looks amazing. This is a subscribe button. Then our website, if I click here, I will get to the whatever link that I have set on the admin panel or dashboard, whatever you call it. And this is amazing. It looks like a little website for you, isn't it? And you could just, the whatever URL that you got for your Linktree profile, you can just copy and share it with your followers, subscribers, and all the links that you will post, you will be able to see it here and directly click on those links. All your links that is kind of, club all your performance out there, your business model out there, you would be able to keep it on one page without having an actual website. Okay, so let's go back to the admin panel. If you click on share, not only you would be able to see your Linktree, you can copy a direct URL for it. You can even have a QR code for your Linktree profile. You can share your link directly when you click it. You can share it directly on any of these platforms. If you go back, you can add your social accounts as well, and this way all your link tree would be there on the social account, so you can integrate these accordingly. And this was with share. Now, if you click on your profile, the L sign, you would be able to see my account. You can update your information like your username and all that, billing, cookie preference. You can explore. If you have any question, you can also explore help topics and submit feedback as well. So this is what you can do from the profile. Then we got the analytics section. Okay, wouldn't that be good? Like you want to see how many people come to your profile, to your Linktree profile, and how many click on it? Wouldn't that be great? And that comes within analytics section. So through analytics section, you would be able to see the performance of your Linktree profile, such as the number of views, the number of clicks, the number of click through that happens, and all those information. So it got views, clicks, CTR stands for click-through rate, and revenue generation. Now I understand most of these functionalities require you to upgrade your subscription that you have with Linktree. So it's totally up to you if you're using Linktree for a lot of, like, if you have a very good revenue generation after the usage of Linktree, then you might want to go with the paid option. Otherwise, without the analytics, you still would be able to see all this information. So I think with free account, I think this analytics would be enough. It's totally up to you. If you ever decide to upgrade your account, you can always click on this upgrade and you can upgrade your account. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you. So ensure you like the video, click on the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel so that any video we create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.